Wait! Before you start your makeup today, you need to hear this. Most women are making tiny beauty mistakes that actually age their face without even realizing it. But the best part? Each one has a simple fix that instantly makes you look fresher, softer, and naturally lifted. Let me show you exactly what to change. Most women choose makeup based on what they like, not what actually enhances them. But your undertone decides everything. The colors that age you, the ones that brighten you, and the shades that make your skin look flawless with almost no effort. The biggest mistake is assuming your undertone matches your skin shade. It doesn't. Your skin tone changes with seasons. Your undertone doesn't. Here's the simplest test. Gold jewelry brings out warmth in your skin. Silver jewelry makes cool tones stand out. When you wear the wrong undertone, your makeup looks off. Shadows appear, foundation looks textured, and even dark circles look stronger. But once you know your undertone, everything clicks. Makeup, outfits, jewelry, lipstick, it all looks naturally polished because it finally matches you. This one is subtle but powerful. Your face has natural textures, matte areas, shiny areas, soft areas, and your makeup textures either enhance or fight against them. For example, too much matte powder makes the skin look flat and aged. Too much shine makes you look oily, not glowy. Too many textures mixed together create chaos. The key is balance. Choose one feature to glow, one to stay matte, and one to stay natural. This creates harmony, and harmony looks expensive. There's a reason makeup artists focus so much on the upper part of your face. The triangle of youth, your brows, your cheekbones, your lips, naturally creates a lifted effect that keeps you looking fresh and youthful. But when makeup pulls downward, everything shifts. Heavy contour, droopy brows, smudged lower lash line. They drag the face down and instantly add years. Now here's the beauty secret. Lift everything upward. A slightly lifted brow shape. Blush placed high on the cheekbones. Top-heavy lashes to draw the eyes upward. These tiny adjustments don't change your face. They refresh it. It's a technique that works on every face shape, and once you start applying makeup this way, you'll never go back. If your makeup ever looks amazing in the mirror, but bad in photos, this is why. Harsh overhead lighting creates dark shadows on your eye sockets, mouth corners, and jawline. This makes your face look tired, uneven, and unflattering. Soft side lighting, however, smooths your skin, lifts your features, and gives you that Pinterest glow. The rule is simple. Never evaluate your makeup in harsh light. Check it in soft daylight or indirect lighting. That's how others see you. Accessories can age you or make you look effortlessly elegant. Chunky, bright, loud accessories often overpower the face. Delicate, thin, minimalist gold or pearl accessories soften the features and make you look feminine. The trick is to match your accessories with your natural scale. If your face is soft and small, choose delicate pieces. If your face is angular and sharp, choose structured pieces. The goal is harmony, not distraction. Most women apply foundation all over the face, but professional makeup artists rarely do that. They apply foundation only to the center of the face, the areas with redness, uneven texture, or shadows, and blend outward softly. This keeps the outer face natural and skin-like. It avoids khaki-ness, and it gives you that clean girl skin finish. This mistake is so common that once you see it, you truly can't unsee it. The face and neck looking like two completely different colors. It happens when foundation stops right at the jawline, creating a sharp line that instantly looks unnatural and can even make your makeup appear heavier than it is. The fix is simple but transformative. Blend your foundation or tinted moisturizer slightly down your neck, just enough to create a soft, seamless transition. You don't need full coverage on your neck, just a gentle wash of color so everything matches. A unified face and neck makes your makeup look smooth, youthful, and effortlessly polished. It's a tiny step with a huge impact, and it's one of the reasons professional makeup always looks so clean and elegant. Your eyebrow tail controls the entire mood of your face. If the tail angles downward, it drags your expression down, making you look sad or tired. even when you're not. But when the brow tail is lifted slightly upward and outward, your eyes instantly look brighter, more open, and more youthful. So when you fill in your brows or brush them up, remember the angle. Avoid dragging the tail too low. Keep the shape soft, lifted, and flowing upward. It's a small change with a huge impact. Your whole face lights up. The neckline of your outfit can change how your face looks, sometimes more than makeup. Different necklines visually reshape your facial proportions. Round necklines soften sharp features. V-necks elongate round faces. Square necklines add definition to softer faces. When you pair your makeup with a neckline that balances your features, your face looks naturally more symmetrical and harmonious. This is why some outfits make you look instantly prettier. It's not the outfit. It's the neckline working with your face shape. Sometimes, looking too perfect makes you look less beautiful. The cleanest, freshest, most elegant look is when your skin looks like skin. Natural texture, soft glow, minimal accessories, effortless colors. Perfection is not the goal. Effortless harmony is. If you've made it this far, you now understand beauty rules that most women never learn. And once you start applying them, you'll see the difference in your photos, your makeup, your outfits, and the way you feel in your own skin. Remember, beauty isn't about changing yourself. It's about understanding your features and enhancing them softly, intentionally, and effortlessly. And that's it! 10 simple beauty rules to elevate your style effortlessly. Try them out and see the difference. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your favorite tips.